Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp image blur tool on WhatsApp. So this is a desktop version. Alright, so okay. So first of all, we go to our WhatsApp and let's say that you wanted to share the application here, this one, or you wanted to share a photo to this person. So I'm going to select a photo here, so this one, and I wanted to blur some parts in here, so I will click this one, this blur tool here, and then you're going to select which area you want it to blur, something like that. And then you will hit on submit. Alright, so that's gonna be it. So it's up to you what are you gonna be using. You can zoom in or zoom out this one, or make it bigger or make it smaller. So thank you so much for watching. You do have a great day.